Hello friends! In this video I will show you an easy method to remove the background of an image in Photoshop. So without wasting time, let's get started. Begin by selecting the image for which you want to remove the background. There are various methods available for removing the background, and I will guide you through each one. First, let's explore one method. Select the Quick Selection tool from the toolbar. Use the tool to carefully outline and select the subject you want to keep. Once the subject is selected, then simply mask it. Now the background has been removed. Many people prefer using the pen tool for removing backgrounds as it offers precise control. With the pen tool, you can accurately trace and select the subject, allowing for detailed and refined background removal. This method provides a higher level of accuracy, especially when dealing with complex or intricate subjects. Once you select the subject, then mask it. If your subject is simple, you can use a quick and effective method by choosing Select, and then Subject. Now the subject is selected easily. Proceed to apply a mask to seamlessly remove the background. Now, let me demonstrate the easiest way to remove the background of an image. Start by selecting the layer containing your subject. Right-click on the selected layer. Choose Rasterize Layer from the context menu. Next, go to the Properties tab. Then Quick Action and choose Remove Background. Now the background has been removed. I hope this video was helpful for you. If so, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to the channel for more informative content.